Hello everyone, welcome to Environment Series Learning 7. In this learning, we will be understanding the protected areas in Union Territories of India. Let's start our learning with Andaman and Nicobar Islands. National Parks. The important national parks in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Campbell Bay, Galathea Bay, where we find the giant robber crabs. Then we have Middle Button Island, Mount Harriet, Saddle Peak, and South Button Island. Campbell Bay is a national park through which Galathea River passes. Yeah, you can see the map here. You can see the Saddle Peak National Park. Yes, North Button Island, and then you can see Mount Harriet here, and then Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, and then you have Campbell and Galathea Bay here. So there are 9 important national parks in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Wildlife sanctuaries, we have 96 wildlife sanctuaries in Andamans. Few of the important ones are Landfall Island, Cuthbert Bay, Interview Island, Rutland Island, Loha Barak Saltwater Crocodile Sanctuary, Wharf Island, Oyster Island, and Sir Hugh Ross Island. We have totally 96 wildlife sanctuaries in Andaman. You can see the national parks and sanctuaries here on the map. You can see Loha Barak Marine here, Mount Harriet, Saddle Peak, then Interview Island here, and then so there are the other national parks and sanctuaries in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Marine protected areas, we have, since Andaman and Nicobar Islands are archipelagos, we have 100 marine protected areas in Andaman. The important ones are Campbell, Galathea Bay, Mahatma Gandhi Marine, Saddle Peak, Mount Harriet, Sisters Island. So totally we have 100 marine protected areas. Next we have Lakshadweep Islands. So we have one wildlife sanctuary in Lakshadweep, that is Spiti, which is a bird island. Yeah, so we have only one wildlife sanctuary, that is Spiti. Next, marine protected areas, we have 4 marine protected areas: PM Syed Marine Birds, KK Mohammed Koya Sea Cucumber, then Atakoya Tangal Marine, and Piti, which is also a national park. Then conservation reserves, we have Atakoya Tangal Marine, Mohammed Koya Sea, and Syed Marine Birds. Next, we have Daman and Diu. Yeah, so we have one protected area in Daman and Diu, that is Fudam, which is a very important marine protected area. You can see Fudam here on the map of Daman and Diu. Yeah, so we have only one marine protected area. Next, we have Dadra and Nagar Haveli Wildlife Sanctuary. We have one wildlife sanctuary, that is Satmalia Deer Sanctuary, in which the important species are sambar and cheetal deer, and also black bucks. Satmalia Deer Sanctuary. Next we have Puducherry. So we have one wildlife sanctuary in Puducherry, that is Osudu, which is a century-old man-made lake which consists of marsh and mud floods. So Osudu is one wildlife sanctuary in Puducherry. Next, we have important coastal and marine biodiversity areas. We have Ariyam Kuppam. This is a very important place to be remembered. It is an important coastal and marine biodiversity area, that is Ariyam Kuppam. Next, we have Delhi. So we have one wildlife sanctuary in Delhi, that is Asola Bati, which is also called as Indra Priyadarshini. Asola Bati. Next, cultural World Heritage Sites. We have Red Fort Complex, Humayun's Tomb, and Qutub Minar and its monuments. These are the 3 cultural World Heritage Sites in Delhi. Next we have Chandigarh. Wildlife sanctuaries, we have two important wildlife sanctuaries in Chandigarh, that is City Birds Wildlife Sanctuary and Sukna Lake Wildlife Sanctuary. These two are important wildlife sanctuaries in Chandigarh. Cultural World Heritage Sites, we have the architectural work of Lee Corbusier, an outstanding contribution to the modern movement. So this place, the architectural work of Lee Corbusier, is a Cultural World Heritage Site in Chandigarh. Next we have Ladakh, the new union territory formed. Yeah, so we have one national park in Ladakh, that is Hemis. You can see it is marked here on the map, Hemis National Park. Wildlife sanctuaries, we have two wildlife sanctuaries in Ladakh. One is Changthang and the other one is Karakoram. Conservation reserves, we have 5 conservation reserves in Ladakh, which are very important. Thank you so much. I hope the video was helpful in understanding the protected areas in Union territories. And with this, we come to an end for the environment series. I hope all the 7 videos have been helpful in understanding the protected areas, and I wish you all the best for the coming preliminary examination. Thank you.